Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today we are making chicken cheese roll, crispy outside, juicy inside. With a gooey cheese center, perfect as a snack or party starter. Let's start the recipe. Take 250-gram chicken pieces and pour them into a blender. One teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon ginger powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon butter. Add 2 bread slices and blend everything into a smooth mixture. Bread slices help bind the chicken mixture without flour. Blend the chicken mixture very smooth for best texture. Chicken cheese rolls are inspired by popular street snacks with a modern twist. Transfer the mixture into a bowl. Take some mixture and place it on a plastic wrap. Cover with another plastic wrap and flatten evenly. Place a cheese slice in the center and fold the chicken mixture as shown to seal the roll. Cheese melts inside, creating a creamy center when fried. Seal the edges properly to prevent cheese leakage. Beat 1 egg in a bowl. Dip the roll into the egg mixture. Then coat with breadcrumbs. Let the roll rest for a minute before frying to hold shape. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for even cooking inside. Chicken provides high quality protein. Homemade rolls use cleaner oil than store-bought snacks. Controlled spices make it suitable for family meals. Shallow or air frying can reduce oil intake further. Remove and drain excess oil. Your chicken cheese roll is crispy, cheesy, and full of flavor. Serve hot with sauce or chutney of your choice. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Enoven Foods for more easy and tasty snacks.